Hi everyone, it's me Anne. Welcome back to DIY Sunday. We are going to be making these colorful tassel clutches today, and I am so in love with how they turned out. I was inspired by Rebecca Minkoff and her cute little clutches with the fun saying on them and words. So I made my own version and they came out amazing. They're actually really easy to make. Also, as you guys are watching this, I am probably in Texas and I will be doing a meetup between Dallas and Austin because that's where I will be traveling. So I would love to meet some of you guys out there. If you guys can come, please do come. I just want to give you guys a big bear hug. I will put all the information below this video, so make sure to get your updates there or on Instagram and Twitter. All right, so let's get started with this. All right, before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that I have tons of other clutch tutorials using the sew and no sew method. So if you guys want to check it out, I will link all of these videos toward the end of this video. To make this design, you will need either vinyl, leather, or a heavy thick fabric. If you want to line your clutch, pick out a fun print or a thinner type of fabric. You will need either breast jean zipper or a heavy duty zipper. The size of your zipper should depend on how wide you want your clutch to look. If you want to glue this clutch together, I suggest you use E6000 for the vinyl and permanent fabric glue if you are using any fabric. And of course, if you have a sewing machine, then go for that. For the decorative words, you will need some metallic paint. I like using the metallic gilding. Okay, so start by cutting out 2 rectangles to your desired size. The measurements I used are 8 by 7. Make sure the width of your bag will match up in length with the zipper or a little smaller. What you're going to do next is cut out your lining fabric the same size as your rectangle. Now place the wrong side of your fabric to the wrong side of your vinyl. Okay, so for our next step, what we're going to do is with one long side of each of your rectangle, press in 1/2 inch seam allowance onto the side with the lining, like so. Then sew in or glue your zipper. For more detailed instruction, you can always watch my last sew and no sew clutch tutorial. Next, what you're going to do is open your zipper and place the right sides of the rectangle together. The lining part should be facing outward. Now what you're going to do is sew or either glue in all 3 sides. Finally, snip off the corners and turn this inside out. For the tassel, I like to use a 5-inch wide and a 3.5-inch long piece of fabric. Measure from the top of the tassel for the fringe to start down 1 inch, and then for each fringe I made it to be about a 1/4 inch thick. With a scissor, cut the fringes up to the 1-inch line along the width. Next, cut out a thin 3.5-inch long by a 1/4 inch wide strip and loop that into your zipper. Glue the ends of the loop onto the end of the fringe strips like so. Then place a few spots of E6000 on the fabric and roll the strip tightly together. Once you're finished rolling it, you can hold it tight with a piece of masking tape or a rubber band while it's drying. Let the glue cure for at least a day before tugging on the tassel and using the clutch. To decorate the outside pouch, I am going to draw the letters in a metallic paint. First, practice your design on a scrap piece of paper. Before drawing out your design, wipe the surface with some rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt or oils from your fingers. Then what you're going to do is with a pen, draw out the sketch, and then with paint and your brush, go ahead and apply that over your sketch. Let this set for a few hours before using this. Like always, have fun creating my DIYs. I love making videos to inspire